Okay, so the unit takes 1 tablespoon of soap. So that's what I'm putting in there. 1 tablespoon of soap. And then since it's got this detergent on it, I'll just go ahead and stick it in there. Make sure it's not going to hit anything, which it isn't. And then I am going to fill the tank because I don't have a hose connection. You can have a hose connection, or you can fill up the tank manually. And the unit also heats up the water while it's washing it, so it heats up the water to get hot while you're washing it. You don't put any more than 104 degrees temperature of water in the unit. They supply you a pitcher that goes with it. It usually takes about 3 to 3.5 pitchers to fill up the tank. I usually put some kind of warm water in it. That's warm. And you can see that there's a drainage right there with that hose. That's the only thing that comes out from the back of the dishwasher. So when it empties, it goes into my sink. You can change it to go directly into the sewer disposal or whatever the hell, but I don't have those options, so I just put it in my sink.